You also ntate Khumalo. Hey, it's again. Untate Khumalo nomkhwanazi. Same. How they even speak, how they narrate, the passion, the fire, the militant. I know, guys. This is like it makes other people look bad. It makes other people look bad. Because like now, Umutsepe na a gathering of dust. We're not saying guti literally dust. Engaga ama cleaner. They were not cleaning. We're saying guti you were not investigating the cases that you guys took. Shukuti nje gune problem between Gauteng ne KZN. And have you noticed ukuthi the KZN pity it has team beza so bakhuluma hayi ekuruleni bayakhala ekuruleni go botlhoko go ekuruleni, and then gore go botlhoko management go botlhoko bo sebia kubhlungu ngcono vele sithatha imadla ngasikhulumise ngesizulu ngesiKZN ukuze sibe senza ama salutes, ngoba nje uma ila eGauteng hey it's either yazi Gauteng people yigebengu kuyakhaliwa, kodwa nje iKZN beza so angazi bantase kodwa hayi untate yena eyantate awa we salute ukuthi like the best thing ever from like that happened after Mkhwanazi Vuyo untate. Hi guys, hey man, yabona manje one thing I know about projects yile ukuthi definitely you will want ama proteges wakho ukuthi abo mini me. But this is my protege. You know, when I look at you, I know I see me. Yeah, ukhuluma njengami when I'm fun. Yeah, urizina njengami mindset yakho is the same level because of that. This is a project that we need to, you know, be guys. I know project management. Again, we went back to project management. Hi, siyabonga ntate. Hawu ntate raleboga. Angazi ukuthi ngikhuluma isiZulu intatha angazi or yini ngeze I don't know kodwa I know no he like let's I'll discuss the case further, but then I was just like showing my appreciation yokuthi I know we are led in KZN, we are led. Let these people come to Gauteng or national, actually national, not all national. I'm telling you, clean siya cleaner, operation clean angazi kodwa siya cleaner la. I know now I like seriously wanna be task team as a KZN ngiqale bangitrain lapho before ngiza ngapha eGauteng. But yo, big ups. It's like I know he got our attention again because like some of us were sleeping somewhere Motsepe gathering. Yazin,